Welcome to Cooking with Wigs. Today we're going to whip up another batch of Master Cleanse lemonade, so stick around. Now this is what I call an apron-free recipe. Let's get started. Pardon me, wind happens. Bring in the board. Now as you can see, the list of ingredients is straightforward. We need lemons, water, maple syrup, and cayenne pepper. Now as for the tools, we're going to need a sharp edge of some kind and a nice cutting board, a citrus juicer, and something to measure tablespoons. Now this is a dual purpose from OXO Good Grips. We also need some way to measure ounces for the water, and I prefer this model because it has a top on it so that when we're all done, I can just shake, 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 and we're ready to go. Take your lemon, organic is recommended, and we're going to start by rolling it to help release the juices. Half a lemon will yield approximately 2 tablespoons, which equals 1 portion of lemonade. So if you need 6 to 10 portions in a day, you should plan on juicing 5 lemons per day. No more than that. We want to keep it fresh. Alright, now we're going to slice it open. Store that for later. I've got this little manual citrus juicer. If you've got an electric version, that's fine. I like to get in there, be involved. As you can see, there we go. In no time, 2 tablespoons. Let's get the water. Pure or spring is recommended, but I trust my Brita. Now these lines are a little bit worn. I'm 7 days in, I've been down this road before. We want 10 ounces. We add the lemon juice. And now, let's talk maple syrup. Most of the recipes you find online will recommend grade B maple syrup. Well, as of 2015, the USDA updated the standards for grading maple syrup and did away with grade B, so good luck with that search. Yes, what you'll find now are essentially 4 grade A's, and we want the darkest, richest you can find. 2 tablespoons of that, and then we pour into our mixture. Finally, we need the cayenne pepper. 1/10 of a teaspoon. Now, if you have that measuring spoon at home, you get the prize. Otherwise, just take a pinch. If you're not sure if it's enough, the next day, try a little bit more. You'll find when your tolerance level kicks in. Alright, and then we're just gonna shake. Shake, 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 it's alright. Let's give her a taste. Distinctive. So let me give you a couple of tips on storing your lemonade. You can make the lemons in advance. You could mix the lemons with the maple syrup in advance. You do not want to store it with the water because that will dilute the mixture. And you definitely don't want to store it with the cayenne pepper because over time, that pepper will get spicier and spicier and spicier. So everyone out there, happy cleansing. We'll see you next time.